Hi there. Can
Hey,
you
Dom.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, that's good. How do you pronounce your
Mm.
name? Davi, Davi,
Davi. Yeah, it's
Davi,
Davi. That's how you
Davi.
pronounce my name.
I see. Nice to meet you, Davi.
Nice to meet you too, folk.
Wait, are you in like how does the school system in Brazil work? Is it like middle school, like elementary school, middle school, high school, college, or
It, let me try to remember quick. Elementary school, middle school, then high school.
and then high school? I see. And what
Yeah.
are the grades for elementary school, middle school, and high school? What are the
Yeah. So middle school starts at the fifth grade, and then high school starts once you pass the uh ninth grade.
Oh, so middle school is sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth grade?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. What about high school?
Well, I've never been to high school before, but I know that there's 3 years to high school. First,
Oh,
second, and then third.
Oh, 10, 11, and 12th grade for high school. Dang.
Yeah,
That's different because for my area, elementary school is first grade to fifth grade, middle school is sixth grade to eighth grade, and then high school is ninth grade to 10th grade. So it's a little bit similar, but one or two.
yeah.
Yeah. Right.
There's an extra year to my school, so yeah.
Oh, extra year to your school. Dang.
Yeah,
Dang.
we start school earlier than usual. We start 1 year earlier than you.
What day do you know?
What what day do we start school?
Yeah, what day do you start school?
I don't really remember, to be honest.
Wait, so what grade are you in right now?
I'm on eighth grade right now.
Oh,
Or
eighth grade.
what I'm supposed to be if I didn't quit school.
Oh, I see. So that's what you're supposed to be if you didn't quit school eighth grade. You're supposed to be eighth grade.
Yeah. Uh,
Wait, and what grade
the
are you?
school consider me at seventh grade, but I'm supposed to be at eighth grade right now.
So what are you actually going into? Like not eighth grade, but what um are you going to be in after the summer?
Well, after this, hold on, can you say it again? I got kind of confused.
Yeah. So after the summer, are you entering eighth grade or are you is that what you're supposed to be in eighth grade, but you're not going to be in
Yeah,
eighth grade?
I'm supposed to be in eighth grade, but not in eighth grade, I'm on
Um
seventh grade.
oh, seventh grade. I see. So a
Yeah,
year behind.
yeah, I'm behind.
Wait. No, it's okay.
Yeah,
Is it
I
because
know.
yeah, I know some friends who stay in extra year behind because of some classes. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
you're not
okay.
alone. Like you're not alone, you know. There's other people like that
True.
are doing that too, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. What do you want to be when in the future when you grow up? Like what field are you interested in?
I want to be a chemical engineer when I grow up. Like, I really love chemistry. I really
Mm,
love chemistry.
Oh, sorry, what was that again? I couldn't get that. Can you say it one more time or type in the chat?
Chemical engineer.
Sand
Now, chemical engineer with a C. Chemical.
Senegal. Oh, a senator or I'm sorry.
No, no, no. Let me type in chat real quick. Let me type real
Yeah.
quick.
Sorry. Hey Ryan.
This is what I want to be. I type in chat.
Chemical engineer.
Yeah.
Sorry. Right. So that's really related to chemistry.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
really into chemistry, but I don't know where to start. So that's why I came here.
Right. So this place here doesn't teach chemistry from the beginning. This place just answers your questions. So when you learn chemistry somewhere else, and you have questions on that, like let's say for a class, for example, and you have questions, you could come here to ask those questions, and then I could answer those questions for you. But I
Yeah,
don't
true.
teach the class like all from the beginning, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, okay.
Right, but
Got it.
we could just like talk about random stuff.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Hey Ryan, this is Davi. He is from Brazil. He just found my school community from YouTube, and he's 14, so like 2 years younger than you,
You too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys can
No, how do you
connect.
even get recommended those videos?
What?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, did you just see it in your recommended homepage, Davi, or was
Yeah,
it?
I saw in my recommend homepage.
Jeez.
Oh,
I watched a lot of chemistry videos, so that's why I got recommended.
And then you look at the description and then you saw this link to join the community.
Yeah, so.
Dang, that's good. That's good. Ryan, he didn't find me through YouTube. He found me through the school community directly. Like he was just searching up classes like chemistry, math, and then he saw this community when he searched up chemistry.
Nice.
Yeah. Hey. Have you taken chemistry yet, Ryan, or are you just taking AP chemistry this year, this coming school year?
I'm taking AP Chem this year. I really hope that it's next semester, not this semester, so I can just focus on AP Lang first.
Right, next semester, and that starts in 2025, right? Like January 2025.
Yeah, because I had to study for the AP Lang, the summer homework and the stuff vocab, because it would suck for studying all summer for that and then just not getting it.
Yeah, right. That makes sense. And when are you taking chemistry, Davi? Like what grade do you usually take chemistry for your school?
Well, on Brazil, we only take semester at high school, so yeah, I don't really know how to do semester since we school doesn't give teach us yet that.
So you don't
Doesn't
know what grade yet? That you're gonna take it? Like they send you the schedule and then
Yeah, they only teach the semester at high school, to be honest, at the first grade of high school.
in high school, right? And you're in middle
Yeah.
school right now.
Yeah, I'm middle school.
Yeah. I see. Nice. Ryan, he is entering his 11th grade, so second to
So
last
he
year of
high school, right?
Yeah, he has school. He's starting August 15th next week.
Nice.
Yeah. You're starting soon too, right? Are you starting this month, August?
I got the newsletter.
Oh, the newsletter of
Yep.
the back to school. Welcome back to school. Yeah.
Yep. Just 1 week from now, August 15th.
Yeah. Did you get your class schedule for next week?
No.
Oh, not yet. I see.
They're remodeling the school, bro. They're building a whole gate around it.
Oh shoot! They're getting bougie. They're getting fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dang. Yeah. So, yeah, Davi wants to become a chemical engineer. Ryan wants to become a dentist. It could change over
Nice.
time though, because earlier when I was in middle school, high school, and like almost all of my college, I wanted to become a medicine doctor, like a MD or DC, but I switched it to become a chiropractor, like my third year of college. Right, my second not second, the spring quarter. Right, so it could
Yeah, I
change over
got it.
time. Right?
Yeah.
And you guys have a lot of time to like think about it too, you know.
It don't feel like that.
Yeah, I know. Like it's very fast and rushed, but yeah, I know. Right. Let's see. Dang, it's 1 a.m. over there at Brazil, right? 1 a.m.
Yeah, 1 a.m. right now.
Oh my
Jeez.
god.
Yeah, it's super late right now.
When's your sleep schedule? Like, what's your sleep schedule like? What do you sleep? What time do you sleep?
I sleep at like 10 a.m. But I put like a alarm on my phone to wake me up to attend this class. So yeah.
You sleep at 10 a.m.? You start sleeping at 10 a.m.?
No, it's 10 p.m. 10
Oh,
p.m.
10 p.m. 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, 10 p.m. Wait, it's past your bedtime then. It's 1 a.m.
Yeah, I mean, I sleep at 10 p.m. I slept
Damn.
yesterday,
Wait.
but I put a alarm to wake me up on my phone. So yeah.
Oh, so you were sleeping at 10 p.m. and then you woke up for this session at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean now. So you slept for like 3 hours?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's like commitment right there.
True.
What the heck? Because we're in different time zones. Like over here right now, it's 9 p.m. for us.
All right.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Yeah.
I was like looking at I searched up like Brian Ochem on YouTube, and I just realized that like the most watched video was just like me and you first time meeting.
Oh really? Brian Ochem on YouTube?
Yeah.
And how'd you go to the most liked video? Like how'd you filter that?
Wait, never mind. It's just for you. Never mind.
Oh,
It's
oh,
just
for
for
you, for
you.
you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Is this like me and you talking, huh?
Just the first time, bro.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, that was like how many months ago? Like 3 months ago or something like
Two,
that.
3 months ago.
Yeah, that's crazy. And this
Like
is the
2 weeks,
session where
like
we
it's
we
two
first meet
weeks before
Davi.
you started doing all that. You just started doing all this. So
Yeah, yeah, I know, I know. Right, dang. Oh yeah, Davi, here's this website I recommend going to start learning chemistry. Let me see if this is the right one.
Yeah,
Then
send me the link real
yeah,
quick. I will
yeah, yeah.
check it out after this.
Right. And then when you learn about those or watch the videos, do the worksheets or something like that, feel free to come in with questions here, and then we could work through those questions together. And then Ryan can do the same as well, and we could learn together. Because
Yeah,
I
true.
forgot a
Okay.
lot of things about AP Chem, so we could all learn it together.
mm.
All right.
Yeah. Because my subject that I tutor is organic chemistry, which is different than general chemistry. What you guys are gonna start off with. Yeah. apchem.org. I sent it to the link.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm check it out right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys could like check through the thing. It get started, and it's separated by different units. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
All
9.
right.
Yeah, yeah. Start with unit 1,
Yeah.
and then read those modules. Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm. That will give you like a overview of what you need to know. I'm gonna actually bookmark this to learn myself and help you guys. Nice. So what made you interested in chemistry?
Hold on, you will talk to me or something? I didn't hear you.
Oh yeah, let me go connect my Wi-Fi to the hotspot because my Wi-Fi is very laggy without the
All right,
hotspot.
got it.
Davi,
What?
how old are you?
I'm 14. I already told y'all before.
Ooh, I'm 16.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Are you in high school right now?
No, I'm in middle school for now.
Uh, hmm. When I was in middle school, well, seventh grade, I didn't have seventh grade because of COVID. I had to stay inside all day seventh grade, so all I had was like eighth grade and then then high school.
All right.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm back. Dang, that's crazy. What classes did you take last year, Davi? Like what were your classes?
Last year, I don't really remember, but I do remember that there was no chemistry at all. What I know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
so the new class we have right now is biology and physics. That's the new class
Oh,
we have.
physics.
So
I don't like physics. I hate physics so much.
I kind of like physics to be honest.
You like
I never.
physics? Dang.
Yeah.
You learn about the law of the thermodynamics, like Newton's law, first law, Newton's second law, third
Only
law.
Newton's first, only Newton's laws for
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Thermodynamic I didn't get to it yet.
Yeah. Apply pressure and equal and opposite force. Oh, the force is gonna go back or something like that.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then
like that.
energy
Yeah,
cannot be
Zool,
created nor
energy, yeah,
destroyed.
whatever.
Yeah, it can only be converted into converted.
Yeah.
Right, right, right. Dang. Have you
Maybe
taken
food.
What?
biology or life sciences?
There's biology on the school to be honest.
Uh-huh. Have you taken that class yet?
Yeah, I haven't taken that class yet.
Mm.
But I can't really remember anything that I learned it from, to be honest. I just forgot
Mm.
everything.
Yeah. and you haven't taken chemistry yet, and then you're interested in it. That's
Yeah, I'm
good. That's
really
like,
interested in chemistry, but there's no chemistry class in my school,
mm,
at least for the year I'm at right now, so
yeah. So you gotta learn
I'm doing it online.
online. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Like learn about the topics you're interested in online. You
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Good. Yeah. So far, today, no one's showing up for organic chemistry office hours. So if that happens, we could just like talk about non-organic chemistry stuff, or just talk about school life.
Hmm.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Right. But then when people do show up, sometimes like Ryan, he stays afterwards, and then when everyone else leaves, because my office hours at 10, we could talk for a bit, like after everyone else
Yeah,
leaves.
yeah,
Yeah.
true.
Right.
But then it's gonna be like 2 o'clock in the morning.
For Davi, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Are you planning to work in Brazil, or are you planning to move like out of this country, or to work, or
I'm
you still?
planning to move to Italy once I get enough money in the
Oh,
far future.
oh, Italy,
Yeah.
Italy.
One
Dang.
of my best my friends lives in Italy, so yeah.
Oh, dang. You met online, or you guys went to school together when you guys were young, like childhood?
Online, we met online. We never met
Oh,
in real life.
dang, dang. It's like me and Ryan. Like we met online, we never met in real life.
Hmm.
And us and you, Davi. Yeah, it's crazy.
I remember that. I remember my best friend when I was like really young. Since I went to a new school, I never met that person again.
In person in school.
Yeah, in school.
And you never met that person again, like because they moved different schools, or
No, I moved to a different school
oh,
and I
you moved
never
to a
met
different school.
that person again.
Dang. Do
I
you still
miss
keep?
her to be honest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang. That's yeah. Do you still talk to them online though?
I don't even talk to them like because we never send online stuff when we were young, so yeah.
Oh, right. It was all in person, huh? No phone, no social
Yeah,
media.
out in person.
Yeah. Do you use social media that much?
I use Discord a lot to be honest.
Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Ryan, you should tell them your story about like how taking a break cold turkey, all those things.
Oh, well, I mean, if he doesn't like use like a lot of apps or like has
Mm,
like that much uh like social media apps and
uh-huh.
like it's
Yeah.
fine if you just use it. But
Right,
like
right.
it's
But
mostly
we
like
could warn them like about like the other apps like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, like how
I
what's
don't.
a big thing.
Well, I recently downloaded a LinkedIn.
Uh-huh.
You can just lie about your age and just create a LinkedIn, because like you're just like you can just type up um chem chemical engineer into like LinkedIn, and then you just show a bunch of stuff, and like you could just like email one of them and just say like, hey, how do I become one of this? I'm 14, and like they don't really care about the age range. They would just
Mm,
like you just like ask them for advice and they'll help you.
Sounds good to be honest.
Yeah,
mm.
you're in middle
Yeah.
school. So you
Yeah,
don't
Yeah.
really have to worry about getting a job at the.
Yeah, I
right.
know.
Mhm.
Because talking to people, making connections, networking, like that would make finding a job way much easier than without like networking and just applying without like connections, you know?
Mhm.
I mean, I have an online job. I work as a game developer, to be honest. I use model stuff from Blender and import it to games.
Oh, you
Mm.
code for games or develop games?
No, I don't code. I just make mods to for
Mm.
for the other people to code. Like
Oh,
Blender.
right.
Mm.
Dang. That's
I
good.
should have started like grinding when I was 14, but damn.
Yeah.
You're grinding now when you're like 16. That's still considered young.
uh,
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
I'm doing. I forgot what I was gonna say.
better or
Forgot.
worse?
You guys are so young and like doing all this already. Like you guys gonna make it so far. Like oh my god.
Yeah, true.
Nice to hear because like I thought I was like, oh shoot, everybody's already a head start of me. It's like
No. You're ahead of the curve right now.
Yeah, nice.
Like because if you look at your friends in your school, like are there a lot of people like you guys like doing
no,
all this? Yeah,
No, no,
right.
no.
Yeah, you guys are
There's like
different.
no boy in my school that has a job. I'm the only person in that class that has a job online.
I know.
no, but like my school is like I don't know, like I'm in this academy. It's like biotech. You probably don't know what it is, but basically it's just like science, chemistry, physics, and like it's just like all like that, and then like you just have like a bunch of people in it, and we represent like 7% of the school or something.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you
Dang.
autistic, Ryan?
hmm I'm not
Oh,
taking
say
it.
what?
I'm not taking statistics.
No, I meant, are you autistic? Autistic.
Can you type that in the chat?
Yeah, I will type it.
Um.
Wait, wait. What are you asking, Davi? Like.
Yeah, because I actually have autism. I actually have that.
Oh, you have that?
Yeah, I have autism. I just wanted to see if Ryan has it too, because
Oh, you're
yeah,
asking if Ryan has it.
yeah, if he has it,
Nah, my brother has it.
that's nice, I guess.
Y- Yeah.
Right. Yeah. And let's see.
Mm. I met like an autistic person on like Valorant, and it was like, but like, and I friended them on Discord, and they were like 11 years old or something. It was just like really funny.
Mm,
Lol.
Yeah,
dang. Valorant. Do you play any games, Davi?
I quit
I like to play Roblox, Minecraft, sometimes even Battle Trauma, to be honest.
Battleground.
Yeah, those
Mm,
games.
PUBG,
PUBG.
What?
PUBG
PUBG
Battleground.
Battlegrounds.
You
Yeah.
both are talking at the same time, I just can't understand.
Let me type it. PUBG
Alright.
Battlegrounds. That game?
No, I don't play that game. I don't.
Oh,
I don't play those games.
let's see. What about Fortnite?
I don't.
Don't, yeah, let's
I
see.
never played it. Plus, I've just hate it, to be honest. I always hated it.
Mm. Yeah, you tried it before, you don't like it?
No, I just don't like it. Not even
Yeah,
tried it. I just hate it.
yeah. I used to play a lot of Fortnite, League of Legends, Minecraft, Roblox as well. Like I used to spend all day playing video games.
True.
Yeah,
Mm.
Hmm.
I don't know. Something snapped in me like 8 months ago.
yeah. That's when Ryan started working out, doing cold turkey, started grinding.
Mm.
For real. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When did you start, Davy? Like, did you start recently, or did you start like younger?
Yeah, I just started recently
Uh,
grinding and
uh,
studying and stuff.
mm, that's
Just
good.
recently.
Yeah, it's still young, very young, very young.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, not even in a high school. You have like this old like 4 years, bro. I have 2 years.
Yeah.
I can't really start much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
Yeah,
you can
true.
still grind in college too, like the beginning of college, when you guys
yeah.
start college. Yeah.
Nice, I guess.
Uh-huh. Are you
Hmm.
planning to go to college in Brazil or in Italy?
I'm planning to go to college once I grow up, to be honest.
Oh, sorry. You don't want to go to college when you grow up,
No,
or
I want to go to
oh,
college. I'm
you want to go
planning
to
to.
college?
Yeah, I
Okay.
want.
And where do you want to go to college? Brazil, Italy?
Well, it depends when I will move to Italy, to be honest.
Hmm. So you're gonna apply there. You're gonna
Uh,
apply to colleges there.
yeah.
That's good.
I'm not sure when I will move to Italy, to be honest. It's just very uncertain when I will move. But I know I will move to Italy once I'm at least an adult.
Yeah,
That's
and your
when I will
Like
parents
when you're
move.
like
18.
support that, right? Your parents support you like moving there, and stuff like that.
Yeah, stuff
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
good. That's good.
Mm.
Yeah.
My father's already take the passport to move there once I grow up, you know.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah.
Hmm. There's some big dreams right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thing. I know some of my friends who are chemical engineer majors, but I don't know exactly what they do. Like, what do they exactly do? Chemical engineers?
All right.
Hmm.
I'll just look at IPCM when a specific topic they bring up, and I need to learn about it.
Mm.
Will bring up that topic, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah. Alright. Learn more about the field.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we do research, a lot of research.
Yeah, doing research once you talk about the specific topic, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Right. You want to know what you're getting into. Yeah. There's also different jobs for chemistry as well. Like you could work in the biotech field. You could be a pharmacist, chemical
Yeah, I
engineer, like
know.
you said.
Chemistry has so many fields, to be honest,
Uh-huh.
and this is a really entertaining field, to be on. To be honest, just love it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. That's good. Right.
Hmm.
It's
Yeah.
nice to
So
meet you, Bryant.
yeah, it's nice to meet you too, Davi.
Yeah.
But Yabao is just my middle name. That's my middle name. My first name is Bryant.
You middle name is Gebao.
Yeah, yeah. Or my
All
Vietnamese
right.
name. That's my Vietnamese name. But that's my
All
middle name
right.
in English. Yeah.
All right.
Davi GM.
My full name is Davi Gabriel Marcioro, to be honest. That's my full
I
name.
feel left
Oh, that's
out. Let me introduce myself, reintroduce myself. My name is
All right.
Ryan Gary, just like
Ryan
Ryan.
K.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dang. And Ryan is Cambodian.
Mm.
Nice.
You're Brazilian.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, like nobody in my school is like Cambodian. It's just like, well, except for Long Beach, but it's like there's only like 3 Cambodians in my entire school.
Three Cambodians.
Everyone's almost Asian. So yeah.
All right.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
And yet I struggle with making friends.
Same.
It's because like you guys are at a different wavelength than them, you know, like you guys are having different priorities. You guys want to grind. You guys want to like get ahead, network,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
most of your friends
We
they want to
want to do that
play
stuff, you
games.
know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you can
Mhm.
find that community online, like and make network connections online. But it's nice to have it in person as well, you know. But it's
Mhm.
hard. It's harder to find it in person.
Hmm. I was like yesterday, I was like thinking about like just like getting like a therapist, from BetterHelp, just so I could like talk to someone. And I was like, but like, cause I actually like a normal person, I'm around people, but then
Yeah.
I kind of just like have these self-destructive habits where I just go on my phone a lot, scroll, just like, and then just like wasting my own time for no reason. So like this
Yeah.
this is the year where I'll just stop all those habits in total. It's like I have 4 months left, and
Right,
like
right, right. The year to break those habits, and then therapists can help you like dig deep into like your past or something like that, and help you learn more about yourself to help you break those habits. You know.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And that's the online thing, right? The online therapist thing, BetterHelp.
Yeah, but then I just chickened out. I was like, no.
Dang.
It's not that I need help. I just need someone to talk to. So that's why I just go on these school communities.
Oh yeah. Right. That's good.
What are you looking at?
I'm
What?
just looking at my the MacBook, like the school community like members
Hmm.
who was like last online. Like I see some people last online, but then they haven't have tests yet, so that they're not joining like today. But
Yeah.
they will join when the tests get closer, and you guys could like see them too, and then watch me teach them chemistry, organic
Also,
chemistry.
how do I send the emails in SAT? I never used Zoom before.
How do you get
Send
the
the emails in SAT. Send the emails.
email to my
No. Let me type it real quick.
okay, yeah. Oh, how do you send images?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's two ways. You could show them on Zoom. You could share your screen here on Zoom for me to teach you, or you could send it to this email here, and then I could pull it up on Zoom and then teach you from there. But you can send it to
Alright.
email, or you could share your screen on Zoom.
Alright, got it.
Uh-huh.
And
Right.
also, I never really emailed someone before. And I was barely email anyone, to be honest.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So I
Yeah.
don't really know how to email. But,
Oh,
but
email?
once I figure
Yeah.
out, I will send the email of the same kind I want to learn about.
Right. Do you want to add each other on Discord if you guys have Discord? So then like yes, we
Yeah, I
can
have
up there as
Discord.
well.
Let's
Yeah.
add each other there. Sounds better.
How do I get my username? It's so weird. Oh, here's my username on Discord.
This is my username, by the way. I will
Okay.
send it.
Yeah. Send it. Send request. Okay, I just sent you your friend request. You can send me the pictures through on Discord too.
Yeah, I will send definitely request same time you sent it to me, lol.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna put my Discord in here too, you know.
Yeah, let me add you too,
Alright.
Ryan. Okay. Add friend. Send a request. Okay, sent you friend request as well.
I send the email of the thing that I
Prime-
want to learn about.
Prime Pug.
The interest chemical right here.
Brianto, yeah, Brianto, that's my username. Oh, I see the picture you sent me.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to learn about that structure?
Oh,
Yeah. That structure, to be honest.
Okay.
All right.
So let me
Let's go.
yeah, I got it. Let's go.
I got it too.
Let me send this picture to my iPad and then I could share my screen.
Alright.
Are you familiar with the periodic table and the elements there?
Yeah, I am familiar with the periodic table.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen.
In fact, I do have a periodic table as a physical paper, but I don't know where I put it, to be honest.
What's the atomic
I just
number for
forgot where I
carbon?
put it.
What's the
What's the
atomic
atomic
number
number
for
of
carbon?
carbon?
What?
What's the atomic number of carbon?
Well, I don't know the atomic number. I'm not familiar with those yet.
There's a number at the bottom of the periodic table that shows you the number of like how heavy an atom is.
Nice, I guess.
It's 14.
Alright. Same age,
Oh, really? I
same
thought it
number
was
as my age,
12.
low.
Please be right. I hope I'm right.
Oh wait, the atomic number of carbon is 6.
What's it? Did I get mixed up? Wait.
6. Dang. Oh, the mass number of carbon is 12, but the atomic number of carbon is 6.
Oh.
Because the atomic number represents the number of protons. The mass number represents the number of protons plus neutrons. And usually in the nucleus, the number of neutrons is equal to the amount of protons. So if there's 6 protons, there's also 6 neutrons. 6 plus 6 is 12.
Yeah,
That's the mass
okay.
number. Yeah, we'll learn more about that when we learn about the periodic table in chemistry.
Alright.
Yeah. So this is the structure you wanted to learn about here, Davi?
Yeah.
Okay.
These
So
are structure.
what is this atom here? What are these atoms? Wait, my iPad.
I know there's two iodine atoms and three oxygen atoms. Three
Yeah.
oxygen and
Wait.
two iodine.
Nice, nice. These are
And,
oxygen
yeah,
atoms, and these are iodine atoms.
yeah.
Right. And iodine is part of a group, right? And the group that it's a part of
That's right.
is called the halogens. Does that sound familiar? Halogens?
I'm not familiar with that term, to be honest.
So halogens will be at the seventh group of the periodic table, right? So like the second to last group,
All right.
right? Let me actually show you guys the periodic table to make it more clear of where what it is. Yeah, this is the very beginning of chemistry, and I know once you guys get through general chemistry, and when you guys take organic chemistry, that's when I could like help a lot in organic chemistry.
For you.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
right
I go
now
to
this is the very
meetings, not
beginning,
knowing a lot.
of the journey.
Just
Yeah,
like
I'm still
next
at
week.
the very beginning of chemistry, to be honest.
That's good. The beginning of the journey.
Yeah.
Okay. So groups, they're gonna be labeled like this. This is group 1. This is group 2. Ignore the middle ones here. These ones are transition metals, so we won't count that as a main group. The numbers that I'm numbering here are gonna be the main groups. So this is main group 1, main group 2, main group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that make sense so far?
Yeah, it does.
Great.
So
Main
the
group,
house, so I think, yeah, those are the housings, right?
yeah. The main group 7 here are the halogens.
All right.
Right, those are the halogens. Do you know what group 8 would be called? Like what atoms they
Nope.
are?
I don't know what that group would be called. Not familiar with what those groups are naming.
Yeah. What about you, Ryan?
No,
Do you know?
noble
I forgot.
gas. Oh, I can't
I'm
remember
not gonna
now.
look it up. I have a second computer, but I'm not gonna try to look it up.
Noble gases, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Use
Right. Wait, dang, how'd you know? Did you watch videos on this already or
Yeah, I watched some videos. I do remember it now.
mm-hmm. Right.
Once you stop it, why write it? I'll just remember what it's called.
Right. Like when I was writing NOB, you knew right away, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Right. So halogens would be like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are the main halogens we use in organic chemistry. But in general
All
chemistry,
right.
I'm not too sure. Right. But iodine is a halogen because it's part of the main group 7. Right.
Yeah.
like diatomic elements, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The diatomic elements. They usually exist as like F2, Cl2, Br2, I2 gas.
Wait, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
You know how our teacher told us to like remember the diatomic elements? You would just
How?
like you would go to like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and then chlorine, bromine, and iodine, and then like you just like draw like like a 7 like around them, you know?
Like this?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's a good way to remember it. Right. So nitrogen and oxygen here, like these ones are not halogens. Like N and O, those are not halogens.
Yeah, okay.
Right. The
Yeah.
halogens are only at the 7th column. Right.
All right. I understand now.
Right. And now these points here, right? Like the little like this pointy points here.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
do a different color. In organic chemistry, these points represent carbons, right? Because organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon atoms. So that's why you
Yeah,
see a lot
okay.
of like structures like this. Right? A lot of shapes like that. Have you guys seen something like
Yeah,
this before?
a lot of Bayesian rings, to be honest, and Furan ones.
Right, but this is in a ring.
Yeah, a Furan, right?
Right, this is a full ring here.
Yeah, Furan, yeah.
And this is considered a heterocycle. So let me write that down. Hetero cycle. Right. So the hetero part will mean a non-carbon atom. So an atom that is not a carbon. Right. In this ring right here, we see there's oxygen in that ring.
Yeah.
Right.
So
That
it's
oxygen is
non-carbon
not,
because there's oxygen right there, right?
right. This is a hetero atom because that's an oxygen. That's not a carbon. That's not a
Yeah.
dot.
Yeah.
Right? That's a non-carbon. So that's why we call it a hetero. And a cycle would mean a ring. Cycle, ring.
Yeah.
Right?
What about homo? What about the homocycle?
So the homocycle, that is a term that's barely used, but we usually call homocycles or rings with just carbons, like this ring right here, right? Like a ring structure, or there's actually different names. This right here is called a benzene ring, specifically benzene, right?
Yeah, I
you
already
see,
knew that.
Yeah.
I already knew how what that
oh,
ring was
you guys heard
called.
of the term benzene already?
Yeah, I know the term Bayesian.
Right. Now let me give you guys this right here. Okay, so notice how all of these rings here, there's carbon on all of them, right? Because all these dots here that we said earlier were carbons.
Yeah.
And they're all in a ring, right? Because it's not open and linear. They're all in a ring.
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna call them like this: cyclo. And how many carbons are in this ring here that I'm circling? How many carbons?
Three.
Right.
3.
And are you guys familiar with the Greek prefixes like
Try.
Oh, try. Right. Try is one of them, but in this case, we're gonna do it like this, right? Where 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Prefix. Try is one of it, but for this name right here, we're gonna use 2 as S, 3 as prop, 4 as but, 5 as pent. It's like a pentagon, hexagon. Are you guys familiar with pentagons, hexagons?
Yeah, I am.
Right. 6 is hex. 7. What would 7 be? What do you guys think 7 would be?
No, that's not tetra. It's just
yeah, not sure about that, to be honest.
It's gonna be hept. Like heptagon.
All right.
Right. 8 would be like, think about like agon, like a penta or a pent
Octagon,
hexagon,
right?
octagon 8, right? So it's gonna be 8 is ox, right? Like octopus. Octopus has 8 tentacles. Right. 9 is gonna be known. 10 is gonna be deck. Right. So since this is 3 carbons right here, do you see any double bonds here, or are they all single bonds?
They are single bonds.
Yeah. And if they're all single bonds, these are called alkanes. Right. The general term is alkane.
All right.
With just carbon and hydrogens. So this is a cyclopropane. Right. The cyclo is the ring part of the structure.
Propane is almost carbon they are, and N is, I don't know what N stands for.
Right. Ane would stand for the alkane part, just single bonds.
All right.
Right. Alkane, which is the single bonds. And then you learn about double bonds and triple bonds later.
Yeah, okay.
Which you're gonna learn about alkenes, alkynes, but right now this is the basics, just single bonds. So don't worry about that. Right. It's always gonna end in ane because all of it are single bonds here. Right.
Yeah.
What would the name of this one be now? And then you
To
can look
be
back at
honest, I
the
don't know the name of that one, to be honest.
Tetra?
tetra, right? So that is
Yes.
another prefix for 4, right? But we're gonna use this prefix table here,
So
right? But, right,
right?
but for 4. And
Cyclobutane, right?
cyclobutane, right? Cyclo, the ring, but because it's 4 carbons, and then it's just single bonds and no
Yeah.
double bonds, so cyclobutane, right? We want to use this prefix table here. We don't want to like think about the normal prefix we used to, like mono, di, tri, tetra.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we don't want to use that for this case, right? But we will use that for different cases, different examples, which is
Yeah, I just use that for naming covalent.
covalent bonds. Right.
Hmm.
This is naming the structure, because if you actually search this up on Google, cyclobutane or cyclopropane, it's gonna show you this exact structure here, right?
I took a
All right.
screenshot. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. And I'll also post these notes on the school community as well, because it's gonna be under the classroom tab, and then all my notes and recordings are posted there. So if you guys want to go back and review these notes, you guys can come back. And when you guys start chemistry or AP chemistry, you guys can come back to these notes to review as well. And the
AP
recording as
chemistry
well.
also does this?
Chemistry, we'll do this at the very end of general chemistry, like getting ready for organic chemistry.
What about AP chemistry?
Okay.
AP chemistry, yeah, they will do this too.
Yeah,
You learn about
yeah.
this too. This is on the AP exam as well.
Right.
Right.
Start or end? Like when you start the course?
At the end of AP chemistry.
Really?
Yeah.
Right. The AP chemistry, like and general chemistry, they have a lot more maths, like thermodynamics. They have calculating energy, Planck's constant, a lot of
Yeah, all
numbers,
that complex stuff
Avogadro
that
number.
is just
Yeah,
too
yeah.
complex for a beginner, right?
Right. But in organic chemistry, there's not a lot of math. So all those math stuff in general chemistry, you don't learn in organic chemistry.
Let's
All
go.
right.
Right. But for now, I'm just gonna teach you guys the organic chemistry related parts on general chemistry, because that's what I specialize in. That's what I
Yeah,
am familiar with.
okay.
Yeah. I don't know too much about general
To be
chemistry, but
honest, I like organic chemistry more than your organic chemistry, so
Oh yeah.
W.
yeah.
Maths.
I enjoyed organic chemistry more than general chemistry, but I am going to learn general chemistry with you guys when you guys take it. So you guys can still ask me questions about general chemistry, and then I'll learn it with you guys and help you guys.
Yeah, okay.
That's good.
Do I
So
still have
this
to
one will because a let me think. Cyclopentane.
Yeah, you got it. Nice. Because it's 5 cyclopentane.
Yeah.
Nice job. Now, Ryan, what would be the next one?
cyclohexane.
Yep, cyclohexane. Nice.
Hexane. Oh yeah.
Now, Davi?
Cycloheptane.
Right, cycloheptane. Okay, last one, Ryan?
Cyclooctane.
Yep. Cyclooctane. Now, this one looks a little bit weird because there's 2 O's together next to each other.
Is that the right or wrong? Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's the right one. I'll write this neater as well. Cycloheptane. So you guys learned the more complicated ones, which is rings, because when you guys learn about this, you guys usually learn it in open chain like this, right? Like let's say we have that, this, that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep.
Yeah, things like that.
Right. This is the first structures you guys will learn first before the rings. I just gave you guys the ring first. Oops.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this on like a quiz.
Right, like these things here, because these points here, what atom do they represent again? These
Carbon.
Yeah,
carbon.
3, 4, 5, 6, and so on.
And do you guys know how many bonds carbon wants to be neutral with no charge?
Oh, I thought it had no charge.
Doubly? I don't know.
4. Carbon will want 4 bonds to be neutral, right?
All right.
Because to tell how many bonds an atom wants to become neutral, look at what group it's on. What main group is carbon on in the periodic table?
4th group.
4. It needs 4 electrons to satisfy an octet.
4 bonds to satisfy an octet.
So depending on what group it is, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Yeah, for depending on what group it is, that's how many electrons it would want
All
by
right.
itself
Yeah.
to become neutral, right? That's gonna talk about oxidation numbers, which is another topic which I'm gonna teach you guys when you guys start learning about it. And
Yeah,
then
I have a
Yeah,
question.
okay.
yeah,
Isn't like carbon neutral? Like since it has it's like really equal. It's like four protons, four neutrons, and then it's just like
Mhm.
it doesn't really have a charge because
Right.
it's
So carbon by itself, if it has 4 electrons, like the orbitals here, have you guys seen these orbitals of electrons of an atom?
yeah,
Right.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
many electrons can fill up the first orbital?
just 2.
2 electrons, right? So I'm gonna represent that as red dots like this. Right. What about the second orbital?
4.
It's 8.
8 electrons, right? Let me write this down like this. N is gonna represent the number of orbital, first orbital, second orbital, third orbital.
All right.
And then the electrons are gonna be right here. The first one can hold 2, second one 8, the third one.
16.
So the third one is a little bit different. It depends on the atom,
It's 18.
right? But for carbon or organic chemistry, it's gonna be 8 as well.
What? Oh.
All right.
8 as well, right? And because carbon here was in the 4th column, right?
Yeah.
It's going to have, let's see. Right. So how many protons does this carbon have right here, based on its atomic number?
6.
6 proteins, right? And for it to be neutral, how many electrons does it want to become neutral to cancel out the protons?
I think 14. I'm not
Wow.
sure.
Right. So let's think about it like this: 6 protons. What is the charge of a proton? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, right? And if we want to make it neutral, right? Because right now with 6 protons, it is positive 6. It's not 0, right? So
Yeah.
6 positive plus, let's say x is the number of electrons, and let's make that equal to 0 to have a charge of 0. What would x have to be to make that happen? How do you solve for x?
Negative.
Perhaps 6 again. Negative 6.
Yeah, right. -6 on both sides. X equals -6, right? Where the negative here will represent the charge of an electron.
Yeah.
Right. So carbon would have 6 electrons to be neutral, right? We already used up 2 electrons out of the 6 when we fill up this ring here, right? 2.
What's
So that
the
means we
name
have
of the ring?
4 more. The name here is the atomic orbital.
Really? Because like in my other class, it's just the Bohr model.
All right. So this is the Bohr model, which represents the atomic orbitals here. Right. The Bohr model
the
represents
ring.
the atomic
Okay.
orbitals.
Okay.
Right. These specific rings here are the atomic orbitals, and the overall structure with everything together with the electrons is the Bohr model. Right. So if we used up 2 electrons of the carbon, how many electrons does carbon have left?
2.
4.
4.
Yeah. What was the answer? What did you say? What was the
2.
answer? 2. Right. So we used up 2 already, and we said earlier that it has 6 electrons. What is
Yeah.
6 minus 2?
4.
Yeah. So it has 4 electrons left. Right. And those 4 electrons are gonna be in the second orbital, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense so far?
Yeah, it does.
Right. But how many more electrons can this orbital hold?
4 more.
4
4
more.
more.
Right, because it can hold 8 in total.
Yeah.
Right. Do you guys know the name of the electrons in the outermost shell? This is the outermost shell of this carbon here.
I don't.
Wait, how about you, Ryan?
Nah. I was like, when I labeled it, I realized that my notes are kind of wrong.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, but that's like 2 years ago, and I
Yeah,
just
in general chemistry.
yeah.
Right. So these electrons here are called valence electrons.
Oh, I remember.
Mhm.
Releasing back. I should remember.
Yeah, valence electrons are going to be the electrons in the outermost shell
Mm-hmm.
or the outermost atomic orbital.
Yep.
Right. And these valence electrons here are very important because those valence electrons are the ones that are going to do the reactions and make bonds, like covalent bond, non-polar covalent bond, polar covalent bond. Like these electrons are the reactive ones here. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means that it wants to gain 4 more electrons to satisfy the octet rule. Have you guys learned about the octet rule?
Yeah.
Nope.
Right. So the octet rule is going to talk about how atoms prefer 8 electrons in the outermost shell to be happy and stable, right? Because we said earlier that the second orbital wants 8 electrons to
Yeah.
be full, right? Right now it's missing 4 electrons, so it does not fulfill the octet rule. It wants 4 more electrons to fulfill the octet rule, right? To be happy, right?
Yeah.
And then think of it as like carbons can make 4 bonds because those 4 bonds will give that carbon 4 more electrons to fulfill the octet rule.
Mm-hmm.
And in organic chemistry, right, we said these were carbons right here.
Yeah.
Right
Yep.
now, how many bonds do you see on this carbon right here? How many bonds do you see attached to this one carbon on the left?
5.
Oh, where do you see the 5 bonds at?
Well, I mean 5 electrons because there's one bond and there's
Huh?
one electron, so it's 5 electrons.
Oh, right. So don't think about the carbon electrons right now, right?
All right.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
But you said it correctly. You only see one bond, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You only see one bond. And we said earlier, carbon wants how many bonds to fulfill the octet rule to be happy?
4.
4 bonds, right?
Yeah.
So if you see no charges here, right? No positive charge, no negative charge. It's just there by itself and neutral. Then
Yeah.
it will have 4 bonds as well, right? We only see one of the bonds because the other 3 bonds are invisible, and they are invisible bond to hydrogen, right? So in organic chemistry, there are invisible bonds on these molecules, right? Where the
Yeah.
invisible bonds are to hydrogens. We don't see them. We
Mhm.
assume it's there,
All right.
right? So what
Okay.
does that mean that this carbon has? How many hydrogens does this carbon have right here?
3. Wait, no. Actually, 2.
No,
Yeah.
still.
2, right? Because
Yeah.
you explicitly see 2 bonds already. 1, 2, which means it's missing two bonds to be neutral, which are these 2 invisible bonds right here.
Yeah.
Right, nice. Let me give you guys one more practice problem on this, and then I want you guys to figure out how many hydrogens are in the atoms I'm going to point at.
All right.
Mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
Let
Selection.
me think.
okay, wait. Let me split this up for you guys. And I'm going to label it. Right, I'm going to label this A, B, C, D. Davi, you do A and B. Ryan, you do C and D.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you guys 1 to 2 minutes.
So A have like one hydrogen bond, I think.
Yep, 1 more hydrogen bond. That's correct. Right.
And then B has also one hydrogen. I mean, no, it don't have any because there's a double bond right there, so there's no hydrogens.
Right. That was a tricky one. No hydrogens because it already has 4 bonds.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Already happy with the octet rule. So there's no invisible bonds here. All the bonds that it has is shown right there. Nice. You
Yeah,
got it.
okay.
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Uh-huh.
C is missing 1 hydrogen bond, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, and then D is like has 2 hydrogens.
Yeah. You got it. Right. Because C right here is a tricky one. It has a double bond right here. So that counts as 2. And this is the third one, missing 1, which is that one right there. You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Nice,
that
nice
takes
job.
me back because like I just have like the flashback memory of just like me just completing those problems with my it was
Like
like
figure out the
dang,
invisible hydrogen bonds and stuff like that.
I remember now.
Yeah.
It's so
We
long.
all got them correct for the first.
100%.
Like freaking fall, I
Yeah.
remember now.
That's good. Right. So yeah, just let me know what topics you guys want to go over in the next sessions, and then if I have time, I'll review them, and then I'll teach you guys them in the office hours on the Discord. Right? Just let me know the topics in the Discord.
All right.
But all these stuff right here that we went over is organic chemistry related. But you will go over this in general chemistry as well, especially this the Bohr model. The
Yeah,
Bohr
okay.
model is a big thing in general chemistry.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys feel like you guys learned something today?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I
glad.
did.
That's good.
I
That's
did.
good.
I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't like actually learning. I was just like freaking bodybuilding like the rest of the summer basically.
Yeah,
But I'm glad.
yeah. Working out and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to get back to that. Can you send me your workout plan to the Discord? I might follow it or get inspired by
Workout
it and make my
plan,
own.
it's like I don't know. It's just like I just burn myself out until I like can't move my muscles anymore. But I'll make an easier version for you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Do you work out, Davy, or do you do any home workouts? Because I don't, and I need to get back to it. I need to work out again.
To be honest, don't really work out. I just eat. I don't eat a lot. Be
Uh-huh.
honest.
Right.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. That's good. That's good. It was nice talking to you guys today and getting to know you, Davi.
Yeah,
And
for real.
teaching you guys stuff. Right.
Do you have anything
The
to
next office
Yes.
hours is gonna be on Monday, right? Because I have episodes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
right?
Yeah, okay.
Any last minute questions, guys? Any other
Do you
thing?
have anything for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I don't have any office hours for tomorrow.
What about for school?
Yeah, on school community, yeah, I have office hours Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So nothing
I was
on
talking
Friday,
about
Saturday, Sunday.
like real life school,
Oh,
university.
real life school. Yeah. I have class tomorrow. Starts at I think 7:30 or 8:30. That class might end, so like it ends. It starts very early, and then
Do you
it ends at
enjoy
like 5
taking
p.m.
morning
around. Sometimes
classes?
earlier. Yeah, I
Do
know.
you do you enjoy morning classes?
Morning classes. If I have a lot of sleep, then I'm okay with it. But if I don't have a lot of sleep, I hate it so much. I sometimes fall asleep in class in the morning class.
I literally fall asleep after school, like, but it's bad because I just sleep the whole time, just like bad.
Sleep the whole time. Yeah, I know.
Hmm.
Dang, take a nap, power nap.
hmm
What are you guys' plans tomorrow? What are you guys planning to do?
Um, Davi, you go first.
All right. So I don't know. I either.
Oh yeah, it's 2 o'clock now.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock for
Yeah.
you, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
and you're still in summer break, so then you don't have to do that much things. You just rest, relax, you know?
Chill.
Yeah, chill.
You know that no festival exists, right? It's winter for me, so there's no summer break.
So,
It's winter for me.
oh, it's winter break for you. It's not summer for you.
Oh damn.
Wait, it's winter
Yeah.
at this time of the year?
Yeah, here at south it's winter and at north it's summer.
Oh, in Brazil, it's winter for you over there?
Yeah, it is.
What?
What temperature is it actually cold?
Yeah, it's actually really cold sometimes. Let me check the temperature right now real quick.
Oh my
Damn.
God. Over here, it's been so hot. Like, I've been sweating like so much.
You're just like underneath the north, like the wait, what continent are you in?
South America.
Ah,
It's
mm,
70 degrees Celsius right now.
Oh, shoot.
geez. It's 92 degrees Fahrenheit in my room.
Yeah.
Damn.
We use the Fahrenheit scale. I think you guys use the Celsius scale.
How the Celsius scale?
Wait, 70 degrees Celsius C to Fahrenheit. Let's see what that is in Fahrenheit. Wait, 158 degree Fahrenheit?
No. I'm let me type it real quick. This is the temperature.
Oh, 17, 17, not 70. I
Yeah.
said 70.
Yeah.
Oh, 62.6. Okay, okay. The 60s. Yeah, that makes more sense. I was like, what? Winter has 158 degree Fahrenheit.
It's funny.
Uh, okay. That was good. That was good, guys. I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, see
Okay.
you there too.
Oh yeah, you gotta fix your sleep schedule now. But like, what time do you go back to school? Like, what day?
I will have school today, to be honest.
Next week or like what?
I will have it today. It's I don't know the name of the. I forgot what I'm gonna say.
Yeah, it's 2 a.m. I get it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It's late. It's late. Yeah, you
yeah,
need to
yeah,
get some sleep,
Your
Davi.
brain's kind of fried.
Yeah.
yeah, for you.
And the Davi's on the grind though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right. Do. Dang. I could mentor Ryan, Davi, and then Ryan can mentor Davi because Ryan is 2 years older.
2 years
Yeah,
older.
for you.
I mean, well, I have like high school and like I had to like keep up with everything because like I'm
Mhm.
starting to get serious about education now.
Right, right. Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't take education very seriously. Probably haven't heard this story, Davi, but I'll just tell you right now. Basically, in sixth grade, I was almost about to like drop, like not, I was about to fail. Like I was about to fail sixth grade just because like I had 10 missing assignments, like just because I was just slacking off. But what happened was like, like, well, like Friday, not like Friday, but like after Friday, like that Friday, like I had no school because of COVID, and like COVID just popped up and just like gave me like the green card, just like you're free now, and it's just like, and you don't have to like do all this work because they didn't grade any of it, and I was like, I passed with all A's, which is like fine, which is like nice. So
Yeah. Like COVID, you either change for the better or you change for the worse. You
it
know.
would have like I would have learned a lesson if COVID never happened, but I'm glad that never happened.
Uh-huh. That's good. Right.
I mean,
Wait, how
I
old were you when COVID happened, Davi? Like when the lockdown in 2020? So you're 14. Oh, you're like 10 years old, huh?
Yeah, I was 10 when the COVID happened.
But yeah, dang. How old? I was like 17, 18. Like almost Ryan's age.
mm,
Nice.
17, 18. Dang.
12 when COVID happened because 16, 20, and then in 16, 2024, and then 2020, 12. So
Yeah,
yeah.
you're 12 years
Yeah,
old.
yeah.
Dang. Dang, that was like, oh my God. I remember the COVID time, like everything was online. I used TikTok a lot, played games a lot, all day, all night. Oh my God, time changed so much. You know. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Good night.
Oh, yeah,
All
good
right, good
night.
night.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.